noise.
Money. Money, maybe. Look this way. What's over there? Look over here. Oh, here comes Mommy with your toy. What's that? You see your toy? It's a bunny rabbit. What? No interest in your toy?
You don't care about it, do you? Yeah. You don't care about toys here. You want to see? Doop. Doop. Nope, you don't care. Okay. That's great.
She's not interested in the toys yet. What are you looking at? Yeah. What's over there? Hmm? Look here.
You don't even know what's duck food. How can you make a salad with that?
You taste it.
Well, you need to know how to make that,
Imani.
otherwise those stickiness will be still there.
Hi. Hey there. Hey there. Okay, we're going to turn you a little bit here. There. Look at this. You hear it? What is that?
She's looking.
Mm-hmm.
What is that noise,
Is it interesting?
baby?
She's just looking at it. She's just not even.
What is that noise, baby? She like it.
Okay, no more. No more. Here. Oh, you
Some
want it?
more.
Here. You like this? It's a funny looking bunny with beady eyes. Okay, no more. Want some more? Huh? Ready?
She like the sound.
Poo.
Your tummy is hard.
She needs to go poop. Huh?
Is she flexing?
Flexing. What do you mean by flexing?
Flexing her legs.
Stretching?
Balsamic vinegar and oil. Authentic Italian herbs.
Grandpa's rubbing your tummy to go poop?
Hidden Valley's new Italians and vinaigrettes. You know Hidden Valley for our
Okay, I need to stop this first.